Here you go. Crazy Aggie Ingos box 2011. Totally certified football. Good luck to you, buddy. All right, we start with a certified future jersey, number to 499, Daniel Thomas. Daniel Thomas. Oh, I like it. Number 40 of 75, Stitches in Time quad jersey for the Bills. Jim Kelly, Thurman Thomas, Andre Reed, and Bruce Smith. Quad jersey number to 75 for the Bills. Love it. Number to 299, Freshman Phenoms autograph, Prince Amukamara. Prince Amukamara. We've got a certified future two-color patch. Numbered 13 of 17, Taiwan Jones. 13 of 17, Taiwan Jones. Not too shabby. Number to 149, piece of the game jersey, Sebastian Janikowski. Number to 149, Sebastian Janikowski. And final pack for you, buddy, is a Donruss Elite Week Rookie of the Week, Week 4 winner, Cam Newton. And a freshman fabric signatures, number to 499, jersey and autograph, Clyde Gates. Clyde Gates. So there we go, buddy.